Hello everyone. Here today we are going to present a presentation on information and privacy in the law and ethics in the information age. So here this presentation is prepared by Lovepreet Kaur Brad, Sukhveer Kaur Brad, Gurvinder Singh Dhaliwal, me and Navdeep Singh Bhatt, under the supervision of Miss Inaz Tara Vinay. So here is our plan. Here subject knowledge is done by me, Gurvinder Singh Dhaliwal, and the multimedia is done by Lovepreet Kaur Brad, and the animation and information delivery is prepared by Navdeep Singh Bhatt, and transition is done by Sukhveer Kaur Brad. Here is our Gantt chart. It's the all process of our presentation step by step. In first week, we have completed the subject knowledge, and next in second week, our group have done the multimedia and animation, and in third week the information delivery. In the last week of presentation, we have done the transition of each and every slide. Here is our Gantt chart. We have completed the each and every subject by date to date and according to our all requirements. Here is the all introduction of our information delivery, and now the Sukhveer Kaur Brad going to present the further slides.
Hi everyone, so here we have the definition of information privacy. Information privacy or data privacy is the relationship between collection and dissemination of data, technology, the public expectation of privacy, and the legal and political issues surrounding them. So we have privacy everywhere. Like privacy can be in two forms: information or data. Information privacy is the privacy which we provide to the companies. This is the privacy information about us, and everyone want to be hide this information from others. And data privacy is the privacy we have data privacy in the financial data, or we have social data. So these two privacies have the relationship between the collection and dissemination of data, and it can be in the form of technology and the public expectation of privacy, and also legal or political issues surrounding them. So here we have picture which describes that we have privacy everywhere. Like as you can see, we have personal privacy. We have personal information which we put on the social sites like email or internet, and we want to be hide this privacy from others. So everyone want to have privacy in their social or personal life. And we have privacy in data, like we provide the information to the banks for the financial purposes, and we have service system records which we want to be hide from others. And we have also concerns about the programs, sensitive programs, medical programs. Like everyone want to be secure from the others. Now we have some question in our minds, like what is our right to privacy. So according to the 4th Amendment of Bills of Rights, we have the definition of our right, like the right of people to be secure in their personal houses, papers and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures, shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. So this law defines that everybody has privacy in their personal houses, papers, and effects. They have the right to be secure their data and personal paperworks which they don't want to show others. But if the people have the right, like if the people have the oath or affirmation from the government, if they want to check their papers, they can only check under the government orders, or if they have the particular reason to check their privacy, only then they can do that. Otherwise people can protest against their privacy. So now Lavpreet will continue the topic.
Here is some questions which we have to think about. The first question is, has your privacy been invaded in your lifetime? The answer of this question is no, because we don't want to share our personal life with others. Because everyone have their own space in our life. We want to discuss our personal information only with them. And the second question is, do you think that personal information you give to the companies is confidential? No, I don't think so, because which information we give to the companies is not secure, because they don't use our personal information, but sometimes it is useful for the purpose which we want to work, and sometimes it's not useful. So I don't think so it's confidential. And the third question is, would you object to the FBI placing a wiretap on your personal phone? According to the ethical view, it's wrong, because we don't want to share our personal recording with others, because it's wrong. If we can share our personal recording with others, so they can easily misuse our recordings. So it's wrong. And the next question is, should business or schools for that matter require random drug tests of their employees or students? No, I don't think so. It's important for the students to give them a drug test, because they don't want to share our personal habits with others. So it's wrong. And the last question is, how would you feel if officials searched your dorm room weekly? It's very bad to search our rooms weekly, because we don't want to share our personal things with others, and we don't want to interrupt in our house. So it's wrong. In all questions we know that the privacy is very important for everyone in their life. So it's wrong in all questions. And we have some facts. In 1996, polls found 86% of Americans were somewhat or really concerned about threats to personal privacy. So it's the percentage of privacy is 86% in 1996, but in 1997 it's increased up to 92%. And since 1974, 70 to 80% of those polled said they are opposed to wiretaps in the USA. So the majority of people don't want to share their personal life with others. Now Navdeep Singh Bhatt can continue the slide.
Now here I gonna tell you how to protecting your privacy. First of all, don't fill out your social media profile. First of all, nowadays everyone uses the social media, and they fill out their profile by using their email, and by using their mobile phone number, and by using their address as well. So they're gonna misuse by another person if they know about their our passwords. So the next one is, be choosy about your social security number, even the last 4 digits. So we don't want to share our social security number to anybody and to someone, because it's gonna be misused. If if the another person know about our social security number, so they gonna be a wrong, they gonna be a wrong our profile, and they gonna be a wrong. So the next one is, lock down your hardware. If we use our hostel room and we use our sharing room, so it's better to lock down your hardware, because anyone who share our room, they don't know about our about how we keep about which things we keep in our locked in hardware. So the next one is, according to Jessica Valenti, she said that abortion is not about the right to privacy, it's about women's right to equality. So the next one is, protect your personal information at public Wi-Fi. So the first one is shopper's card. So if we go to the shopping mall and we use our cards, so it's better to protect our card password, because if the another person know about our password and our debit card or credit card number, so they gonna be a misuse, or they will use our credit card or debit card, so it's very harmful to us. So then another one is financial data. So we keep our financial data into the into the locker room or into the cupboard, so the another person don't know about our financial data. So the next one is social media. So social media, as I said before, everyone use our social media, everyone use their social media profile. So if the another person know about our social media profile password, say, so they gonna be a misuse, they can send a message to another person by using our profile. So the another one is moral reason for protecting personal data. So the first one is prevention of harm. So it's first of all, the privacy. If another person interference our personal life, so it's very inconvenience, because it's a crime. Another person don't know, another person can't interference our life, so they don't know about our privacy. They can't touch our things, as well as it's a very dishonest and it's a crime. First of all, the another thing is information injustice and discrimination. So in the 1970, the pay ratio is $1, but the women's pay rate is 59 cents. So but in the 2016, the woman rate is 79 cents, and the men rate is more than the woman. But our goal is both are equal by closing this pay gap, because it's a first of all, in the 1970, it's a discrimination between the women and men pay rates. So thank you. Now Gurvinder Singh Dhaliwal present the next slide.
Hi, I'm again here. Here's a free legal living will. So everyone can live free in the modern era. So it's everyone's life. They can live in your life according to their preferences. So first, married or single can enjoy their life. So in Canada, here every single married or single can enjoy their life, even they are enjoy in their living relationship without any marriage, or which are married, they are also can enjoy their life free without any interference. So next, the right of women to terminate their pregnancy. So nowadays the main question is that like some of women don't want to be pregnant, like there's some are pregnant so they don't want to born a baby, so they can terminate their pregnancy before that time, so it's their right, but it can be in the legally manner like before the time. So the privacy to gays and lesbians, like here everyone can, like as I told before, can live free without any fear of anybody. So there are some rights, for laws are for the gays and lesbians, they are also can enjoy their life, and they can also find their partners, like gays can enjoy with their partner and lesbians also, because nobody can disrupt them. So it's their legal living will by the law. So according to this diagram we can see the sum of guys are teasing to the gays and lesbians, so it's very bad, it's unethical. According to the laws they can also enjoy their life as the normal human being, so it's very bad thing. Or bullying, mean words, so we can't say any mean word to gays or lesbians because they are also human according to the ethical view. And by the law it's also bad thing to say any mean word or bully or kick or hitting anybody by the racism, like by the it's everyone is privacy, like the each and everything is written in the diagram: teasing, bullying, threats, mean words, and name calling. And some of the guys, like if in the society anyone is gay, so some of youngster naming as a hey you are a gay, something like that, it's a rubbish language, it's not good. So here the conclusion. So we explained, my friends explained the all information privacy very well. So at the end we can say, in our point of view, we conclude this privacy topic in the two ways: by the law and by the ethics. So by the law, if anybody gonna steal your personal data, personal privacy, so it's by law is bad thing. So if anybody do that, so he gonna punish by the government, by the law, by the court, so he can be in the jail for their mistakes. So by ethically it's also bad. If we are living in a good society, we are ethical, we are living in good family, so we have to adopt the good habits to live in society. It's our right to protect our privacy, or it's also our right to don't interfere in each and every one life, because here everyone can live in their own personal space. So be in your limits. And in the diagram we can see the stop racism at the end. So we all are equal, we all are human beings. So the stop racism, the privacy is the one of the uppermost thing in each and every personal life. Thank you.